Hello, I am Laura Angel from Mississippi State University Extension from DeSoto County. And so, hi, welcome to our Facebook Live today talking about healthy snacking for adults and for kids. And so today we're going to talk about all these wonderful things that I have here in front of me. And so thank you for joining us. I'm glad that you joined us. And so let's just get right in there to healthy snacking. And so healthy snacks are kind of that when you need just something that gets you in between meals. And so it is that hunger saver that you need to get you to that next meal. And so they're just used sometimes as a single food, or sometimes they're a combination food that, that gets you by. And so let's learn a little bit today about how to do that healthily. And so I've got some tips and some information for you. And so let's first talk about what are some basic components of a healthy snack. A basic component of a healthy snack is a carbohydrate, a whole grain carbohydrate, one that combines that with fiber, a protein source, and a healthy fat. And so that is a perfect combination for a healthy snack. And so, but what does that really mean? What does that look like? And so I have that to show you today. And so, but let's be honest. Let's talk about healthy snacks, because if you're watching this today, more than likely you are the person in your family that provides those snacks for you or your family members. So you're doing the shopping. And so these are some tips for you as you go out and you shop and you plan for healthy snacks. The first tip I have for you is get the whole family involved, or get your spouse involved, or your children. Get everybody involved in preparing and planning that snack time. Because if they don't have buy-in, they're not going to eat your healthy snacks. And so get them involved in picking out the things at the store, putting it on the menu for snack time, and get them involved. Get them in the kitchen, and they will be happier. A good one this time of year, it's fall. You might want to think about making maybe a pizza. That would be a great afternoon snack. So a pizza maybe on a whole grain tortilla with some sauce and cheese, maybe some veggies thrown on there and some pepperoni. And you could call them like a pumpkin, a pumpkin pizza. And so that would be a great one right now. So tip number 2 is that think about the fruits and vegetables in your life, and maybe create a display in your home with fruits and vegetables, maybe on the table or on the counter in the kitchen. Some of the best things that you can eat are fruits and vegetables, and just having a fruit display on the counter. A lot of fruits come with their natural, they have a peeling on them, they're an on-the-go food, and they are a great thing to just grab and go. And if you see it, it's colorful, it's pretty, you're more than likely going to eat it if it's there and it's tempting you. Another thing with fruits and vegetables, have some already pre-cut up. Like, go ahead and cut that pineapple up and have it in the refrigerator. Create a fruit tray, a mini fruit tray, or a vegetable tray that you can just pop out of the fridge and have it, at snack time or at a meal time. And that way that it takes the prep work out of doing it when it is snack time. And so go ahead and then you just set it out and it's there. Tip number 3 is that you prep your snacks. And so you can buy prepackaged snacks, you can buy them all day long at the store, but you also can prep them at home, and it's super easy. I'm sure you might have some containers at home, and so think about the containers that you have, and I have already pre-prepped this. This is just a little, a vegetable little snack that you could have. It's got carrots, broccoli, and it's got some pepper sticks in there, and it has a homemade dip that you can make. And the recipe is in the publication linked at the bottom, and it is salsa and yogurt is the combination there. But you could pre-prep these for the week and pull them out for snack time. And then here's another great one that I have here. This one has pretzels, it's got some nuts, it's got a cheese stick, and it's got some grapes in it. So it is combining that healthy fat, it's combining some dairy, and it's combining, a grain and some fruit. So this is a great thing. So pre-prep those snacks. Get the family involved in that. Number 4, you might want to also think about dips. I mentioned dips, and in the description I said that there's recipes, but you could buy some dips. Think about hummus that you can purchase, or some nut butters. Think about sour cream, some cheese dips, yogurt. The possibilities are endless. I know I like dips, and I know my kids like dips, and I think you might like dips too. So think about incorporating some dips into your life. If you need ideas for more dips or more recipes, like I said, look at that publication. And something else that I didn't mention when you prep something is I have right here, I have a fruit sushi right here. And this is just an easy thing that you can do with a peanut butter or a nut butter and a whole grain tortilla and a fruit. And so that is a great easy thing that you can prep ahead, or just make on the go, on the fly, when you were ready for snack time. So that's a great recipe, and it's in the description in that link. And then last but not least, my last tip is prepackaged snacks are okay. And I have them in my house. I have them on display here, and they're perfectly fine. You just want to make sure that when you're thinking about prepackaged snacks that you are looking for one that is under 130 calories. And look for one that is that's a healthier option. You might want to think about trail mixes, or think about nut packages. You could think about cheese sticks, or these like little combination snacks that are already prepackaged in the refrigerated section. Think about fruit and veggie pouches or dried fruits. So think about those things. Look for snack options under 130 calories, and those would be great. They are okay. And so sometimes I keep some of these in my desk at work, and they are great, so that it stops me from wanting to go out and get something, or get something from the vending machine. And so these are all great tips and great information. Leave me a comment below if you like this video, or make sure that you heart or you like the video if you liked it today. If you have any other ideas or tips, share them below in the comments, and you can share those with everybody else. And like I said earlier, if you've not already dropped by the DeSoto County Extension Office or one of your local libraries, stop by and grab an Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go Kit, because this month we are talking about healthy snacking in addition to a lot of other things. I hope that you have a great day and stay healthy. See you later. See you next time.